Hello everyone, this is your girl Kino, aka the Stay-at-Home Cutie, and I'm here today to do a product unboxing of this 3-in-1, which is a selfie stick that has an extender to it, and it also can be a tabletop tripod. You're seeing it now as a floor tripod. It actually is holding my digital camera from a few nights ago that I unboxed. There's the wireless remote that is rechargeable and Bluetooth. There's the angle adjuster. This is the lighting and cell phone holder. It does have, I think, 3 modes. I will have to double check, but I would have that in the description. When you get your selfie stick with balance handle, it comes in an actual little paper Walmart packaging. It only took 2 days via FedEx, but of course I do have Walmart Plus, so I'm not sure how long it would take otherwise. When you take it out the box, this is the box. It will be wrapped in this, okay? And then once you, it will be in your case. Once you take everything out the case, which it will look like this, similar to this, okay? That's how it looks with the cell phone, okay? You pull everything out of your carrying case and everything will be wrapped in this, okay? So there's your quick start mini user manual. This is your wireless mic that's rechargeable, okay? That goes with that. And this is your Bluetooth wireless adapter for your wireless mic, and that's the one for iPhone and Android. And this is the rechargeable cord. I can't say I am very impressed with this. I will do a more thorough demo with my digital camera. Now, it only showed action and regular digital cameras. I'm not sure if it's adaptable to a professional camera. It didn't show it, so I'm not gonna say it does, okay? If you do decide to get this for yourself for just everyday use, and you do take pictures or whatever, and you do have, or if you already have a professional camera, you know, a really expensive one, then you can try it. I don't see why it shouldn't hold, but you just never know. But this camera right here, I think if it's 2 pounds, I don't know. But I just wanted to make sure that I got this video uploaded, because it took me, this is the 10th time. Me and iPhone are not seeing eye to eye. But this is a beautiful, beautiful item. I want to kind of do the selfie stick, but every time I try to do it, my phone cuts off or something happens. So at a later date, I promise that I will do a demonstration so that you can see the actual capabilities of this. And as usual, I'm your girl Kino, aka the Stay-at-Home Cutie. Hopefully you understand this video. I'm not talking too fast, but as always, I love you to life. Love yourself. Love on yourself beautifully. Don't sweat the little stuff, because someone wants to be in your shoes. They wish they was in your shoes. Keep God first, because he loves you and he loves me. And he loves everybody, no matter what. Blessing 30,000-fold. Like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Blessing 30,000-fold. And I'm Kino. And who am I? I'm your Stay-at-Home Cutie. Be blessed.